Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to cover this 7 cubic feet upright freezer. This is one by Realtree APX. It is really kind of nice because it has drawers which allow you to see in and see what's in there. So if you are a hunter or a fisher or something like that, you can see everything inside your drawers. The drawers are nice and easy, they come out. So if you need to clean them. So this is a 7.0 cubic feet upright freezer. It cools from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to negative 13 degrees Fahrenheit. 32 to negative 13 is when you'd hit 3. It's got so that it has that adjustable thermostat. It's energy efficient, of course. It's got adjustable feet. So if you're on an uneven surface, it has a little bit of adjustable feet. So you can make sure that it sits nice and flat and doesn't have a wobble to it. These can be taken out if you don't want them in, but they're also really easy and nice to have because you can clean them, you can pop them out, you can clean them, you can take them out, put your stuff in them, and easily just kind of hook them in. They actually hook in with these little pieces here, which is nice because then they do not fall, and they slide really in, and they're really easy just to pop out and clean. This, you can see the size of it. So I'm about 5'11", and you can see where it comes to me on. It's nice because it's compact, so if you have a limited space and that sort of thing, it's nice and compact, but yet you can fit a lot of things in it. And it comes in 2 different prints. It comes in a moss and a camo. So, you can have that, which is really kind of nice. It has a good sealed gasket to the door. The door opens right. It's the only way it opens. It doesn't look like you can adjust it based on what I see. There's no adjustment to this that you can do. So it's going to open to your right-hand side. So that's really it. I mean, if you look at it, you can see what you get with it. And the bottom drawer just is kind of a shorter drawer because obviously there's a, the back of it has its fan and motor and things like that. So it's got a little shorter drawer there. But you can just hook it back in, but it stays in. So you can drop your things in there. And you can see the biggest benefit is that it's full upright. So as opposed to a chest freezer, something like this in a chest freezer, everything would get buried and you wouldn't be able to see what's in it. And so this allows you to see everything within your drawers, so you can do a really good job of organizing all of your stuff. So that's it. If you're looking for an upright freezer that's compact, you can put it in your garage, you can put it in your, your cabin. If you do a lot of hunting and fishing, it's perfect for that because of the prints that it comes in. And check this one out. I'll put a link in the description below. This is the Realtree by APX. And if you're looking for an upright freezer, this might be the one for you.